Hi guys! At ngayon naglalaro tayo ng Start Survey.
사역자가 외증자 할아버지는 이하는 당연하고 할아버지 때부터 저들보다 주신거 출신이지? 태생부터 학교에 기여한 바가 다르니까
Okay,
그 혜택으로 우리가 여기
be sure to turn your volume up.
그러니까 그에 대한 예의는 갖추는 게 맞지 않아?
I don't care. Diyan lang. Oh my God! Grabe! Oh my God! Ang cute na ito guys. Cute niyan. May door dyan. What? What the? Ako nandiyan dyan. Natatakot ako. Having a nice day. Yes. Oh my God. Do you have many responsibilities? No.
네가 왜 여기 오게 됐을까?
Oh my God.
새학기 장학생 결혼이 됐어.
Oh my God.
장학생 결혼 왜 났을까?
Yes, yes, yes. Kamukha niya yung surrounding ko. Yeah, nasa kwarto.
이한이가 죽여버렸어.
Oh my God. Oh my God, no, 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 no. Grabe. Did you think you could lie to us? Did you believe we wouldn't know the truth? Oh my God. Our server is picking only individuals that are honest.
무슨 말인지 잘 알겠어요. 근데 그러니까 그 친구들이
Oh my God.
연애랑
Chances
뭐
left.
대충 그런 얘기
Oh my
있잖아요.
God, ano yun?
뭐,
From now
친구
on, if you keep on lying to us, the consequence won't be nice. Oh my God.
걔 진짜 알아들은 건 없겠지?
So be careful. Do you understand? Yes. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Have you ever felt like there's someone in your room? Yes, yes. Yes, para siya multo, guys. Do you find yourself your existence? No. No. Do you believe there is a God? Yes. Malamang. Ano pa ba? Si God is the best. Yes. Yes. Are you answering these questions out of free will? Yes.
아 뭐야 너네 양 장난쳤지?
Did you think you could lie to us? Did you believe we wouldn't know the truth? No. Our server is speaking only individual. Ay nako, yan na naman.
학교 좀 더 빨리 할 걸 그랬다
Yan ulit.
예시가 괜찮지?
Oh,
환영 파티.
oh my God.
내일 봐
Nakatakot kapag naka-zoom ka.
꼭 와. 기다릴게
Okay. Kapag ito nakakatakot, mag-live ako dito. Yeah, bakit? Ano ba sinabi kong mali? Ay. No? Have you ever had a dream that felt so real? It was hard to distinguish from reality. Yes. Oh my God. Grabe.
진짜 이런 걸 좋아해?
Um,
정진이가?
아무도?
yes.
되게 어디 좀 확인해볼게
Do you feel uncomfortable in your room? Yes. If the lights went out, will you be scared? Yes. Oh my God. Have you ever wondered when you will die? Yes. Have you ever cleaned off your desk lately? Yes. Open the folder on your desk.
너 올 때까지 나 진짜 깜짝
You are from Philippines. Oh my God! How? How? How did you could lie to us? Bruh, nakalip ako sa Philippines, guys. Bro, nawalan pa ng ano. Grabe. Chances, chance nga. You are from Philippines, yes. From now. Oh my God. Nakatakot ako. Okay, yes. Do you have internet access? Malamang. Meron. No. Wala akong enemies. Yes. Yes? Bakit? Okay. Oo, meron. Yung mga pinsan ko, di ba? Mga mami, si daddy. No nga. Oh my God. Oh my God. Simulation, yes. No. Huh? Do you ever feel like you want to do something bad even though you know it's wrong? No. If you scream, will anybody hear? Yes. Are you scared of gunshots? Yes. Bakit? Kasi maingay. Do you know the person standing behind you? Ah! Grabe, nakakatakot yun. Grabe. Oh my God, no, grabe, meron tao dyan. Meron tao dito, guys. Relax. Oh, grabe. Relax. Yes. Are you feeling still and not just programmed like a machine? Yes? Bakit? Tatakot ako. Did you cry yesterday? No. Bata pa ako kaya pwedeng yes. Have you ever seen the person standing outside your window? Oh my God. But restarting survey. Restarting survey, guys. Grabe, restarting survey. This time, mag-zoom na tayo. Yes? What if kaya clinic natin no dun? Yes? Do you have many responsibilities? No? Look around for a moment. Your surroundings. Yes? Very familiar, bro. Do you know where you are? Oh, sa kwarto. Bakit? Oh my God. No. Do you think could lie to us? Did you believe we wouldn't know the truth? Yung only individuals that are... Okay. Di ako nagsisinungaling, guys, ha. Di ako nagsisinungaling. Kaya ako ng tubig. Don't worry. 3 chances left. Okay. From now on, if you keep on lying to us, then... Okay, anong paki ko? So, be careful. Do you understand? Yes. Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Yes. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? No. Do you believe there is a God? Siyempre. Are you scared of the darkness? Oh my God, yes talaga. Are you answering these questions out of free will? No, kasi kanina sinagot ko yes. Oh, wala nang... Bro. Bro, ito na naman. Sabi ko naman yung totoo. Guys. Don't worry, you still got 2 chances left. Hindi okay. From now on, if you think keep only lying to us, guys. Grabe guys. Tatakot ako. So be careful, do you understand? Okay. Are you certain? No, may kasama ako dito. Yeah. Yeah, meron.
비사.
Yes nga. Inulit lang eh. Comfortable in your room. Yes. If the lights went out. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. When you die. Lately. Yes.
한점 놀랐네.
Yes.
얘기 좀 해.
What? Nasa Philippines ako. Bruh. Sa Philippines ako. You are from Philippines, oh. Bruh. Guys, yun nga lang para sa araw na to. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Peace, yo. Natakot ako dito. Subscribe. Peace.